It's a couple of days after the drift event, so we brought the BRZ in. We're going to change the gearbox now. So we're going to get started because it needs to happen before the weekend. Lachlan's here helping too. I don't know. There he is. Cool.
Westside, Burn City, young manie back to slave. Foreign girls looking pretty, I can get them out my face. And my homies on the bench, we ain't tryna play no games. Put that liquor in my system, it's a party every day. This that 3029, we about to go. And dollar signs on my mind, I'm just tryna get it flowing. Every morning I'm blessed, no stress, stay ready. I'm tryna see that paper in the air like confetti. If anything, I'll be gone. This Henny, it got me on. Been grinding since I was young and I party until the morning. Shorties, I'm tryna bone, I got them saved in the phone. Call me the king like LeBron, I had them tagging along now. Lil' shorty, show me what you got. I do my 1-2 step till the speakers pop. They saying, Manny, you be drunk cause you talking too much now. But I just tell them I'll be in the zone like a touchdown.
What's your flavor? And tell me what's your flavor? What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor? What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor?
Yeah.
What's your flavor?
Yeah.
Tell me what's your flavor?
Stains on my white shirt, sipping till I'm sick and then I'm hitting all these white birds. In the club I'm Millie rockin' flexing till my arms drop. Then I pop, shorty's tryna bang like a gunshot. Back to the crib where the homies posted up. Tell her bring her friends so the homies get to nut. Got a drink in my hand, I don't never hold a blunt. But if they get me in the panties, I'ma tell her roll it up. Yeah, I got flames like I'm Luke Kane. Bought the 36 chamber, yeah, I'm about that Wu-Tang. And I'll be pumping iron while I rock a blue tank. Topping all these amateurs, silly savages all day. And I don't really feel the same since a youngin' out of chains. I'm consumed by the game, you see. A gold chain never really meant a thing. Now I'm cruising in that lane where I crave a bit of fame, you see. Sick of the same lifestyle, I don't want it no more.
So we finished up the gearbox change, it's all back in. Tail shaft's back in. There we go. Tail shaft's in, exhaust's in, box in. Can go buy some oil for the gearbox, do an oil change as well. Then the car's ready to go. Yeah, once it's all ready, load on the trailer, good to go for the weekend. I think we're going drift go-karting tonight, so we'll check that out. Alright, catch it.